Hey, it's Morgan with WTI.
This epoxy resin from Puduo is so awesome. I have been having so much fun making crafts with this kit. It was really easy to use. It comes with the little cups and the stirrers that you need and gloves, and the instructions are super helpful. This was such a fun DIY kit to have some fun with. I'm a beginner and I had such a good time. I found it pretty simple to understand and to use, and it explained so well all the things you need to do, so definitely read those instructions. But once you mix your epoxies together with the hardener, it was pretty easy going from there on out. It was just a really fun project to do at home and to decorate your little resin pieces. There are so many things that you can make with resin, and I am so excited at all the possibilities. I was just making some fun little things here for my very first time and it was so fun and exciting, and it set up just like the instructions said that it would, and it was such a fun time. I really loved all the different options that you can do, and this was just a really great kit to start with.
I love this product, and that's my point of view.